How to change the battery on a Subaru key fob. So we got the two styles here, the more modern where the key is integrated and the older style where the key wasn't integrated. They're both on screws, so you get a small screwdriver. So the screws out, just get your fingernail underneath. That reveals the battery. So you just push it out with your finger. I might need to use a screwdriver just to help it a bit further. There you go. And it's a CR1616 3 volt. So you get your new battery. Stick it in. And put the cover back on and the screw back on. The old style is also on a screw. Get your screwdriver. Again, split over with your fingernails. Then you've got a Type 23A battery, alkaline. Take it out, new one in, put the cover back on, screw back in, and you're done.